Hi there, follow along as I show you how to draw a lighthouse in a few simple steps. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, pencil, and a Sharpie for later, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is the lighthouse is going to be standing vertical. So I'm going to draw a shape like this, and we're going to draw kind of like a rectangle, but it starts to get a little bit narrower at the top. So what we'll do is we'll draw a line like this, another one like that, and then up at the top here, instead of drawing a straight line, we will come outwards like that. We'll go up with two shorter lines on the sides here, and then we'll create a curved arched shape like this at the top. And at the bottom of our lighthouse, let's add like a little doorway, an entry point to get into our lighthouse. All right. So the next step, we're going to take this curved shape, and since our lighthouse is a round cylindrical type of shape, I'm going to take this and we'll do two additional ones kind of a little bit over the door here like that, and another one around here, not quite halfway, but you know, feel free to put those wherever you want. And then over here, we're going to join the lower part of these two vertical lines here with this same curve here. We're going to match that like that. Next, let's draw another vertical line. So coming from here, if you go upwards, let's draw another vertical line. We're going to draw kind of like a railing, or the starts of a railing at the top. And then we'll draw another arc curve shape like that. Okay, for the next phase, we're going to draw the part that kind of holds the light at the top. So we're going to go in a little bit. We're going to draw a vertical line like that, and another one the same distance on that side. And then we will draw a, we'll go outside of these lines a little bit, and we'll draw kind of like a smiley face shape. We'll draw the reverse curve here, like that. And we'll draw this curve up here, like that. We'll do another vertical line extending up from there, and we'll match the same curve like so. And then leave a little bit of a space, and we will draw pretty much this kind of like a oval shape here. We will be narrower than this over here. So you want to go up somewhere about here and here, and we will draw a curve like this, and then we'll create the roof. So we'll create a line that's angled towards the center like that, a little roof shape, and then we'll do another arch with a little cap at the top of it. Okay, for the next step, let's add in the walls of this rooftop. So we'll draw some vertical lines, and we're going to come down to this curve here. So we'll go from here, we'll come down, and we'll go from here, we'll come down, and we'll do the same on the other side. And we'll leave a little bit of a larger gap in the center. So see how this is narrow? These two sides are like narrower, and then this area in here is bigger. At the top, let's add like a little dome shape at the top here. So you can draw like a small rectangle, a little sphere, kind of catch some lightning strikes, things like that. And then let's add a few more windows, some lookout areas. Let's draw a small window here. Let's do another one over here. All right. And then let's finish off with some railings for this lower deck. So this is kind of like a lookout area. So we'll draw some vertical lines like this, across here. It's kind of our railing system there. And then now let's draw the light. So we'll draw a base for it that comes off of this curve here. So we'll draw like a little base, and then we'll draw a circular shape right inside here. So we'll draw the best circle you can, just like that. And then if you want, let's add some, you know, usually these are on some islands or areas that kind of stick out into the sea, the ocean. So we'll draw a little bit of a curve kind of down like this. You can add some trees and stuff if you want. And then I'll add some birds kind of flying, some seagulls maybe. So we'll do these kind of like V shapes, these curved V shapes. And they kind of get thicker at the base, and their wings are a little bit more pointier. So I'm just gonna do a few of those like that. If you want to add more, go ahead. You can do as many as you like. And that is our lighthouse. I'm gonna take a Sharpie now, and we're gonna kind of highlight some stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by just kind of coloring in or filling in. You can use different kinds of markers. You don't have to use a Sharpie. You can use like a ballpoint pen, whatever you have. I'm gonna kind of fill in these like window looking spots, and then the little doorway down here. And you can add like door handles or make a lot more detail in your shapes here. So there's our lighthouse. Hope you liked it, and we'll see you again for another tutorial. If you really like this tutorial, check out our How to Draw Stuff sketchbook. Inside, we have 90 really cool and fun things to draw. Each one has a simple step-by-step process that allows you to follow along and draw what you see right inside the sketchbook.